I'm Justin Nick Fargen. And this
Hi,
is...
I'm Mr. Vessel, and today we'd like to teach you about the 27 things about an earthquake. An earthquake is caused by moving rock under Earth's surface. There's much more to it. There are two main points are involved in an earthquake.
Their names are the epicenter and the focus. The focus is the part where rock breaks and starts the earthquake. It's placed directly above that on Earth's surface is the epicenter. Usually this is where the most damage is. If you had an earthquake recently in your hometown, please be prepared for an aftershock. This is a smaller earthquake that happens near another one that can happen at any time. We'll see you right after the break.
Hello there! Hello there. Are you looking for a seismograph? Well, if so, I'm the guy to help you. I'm John Baines, and I like to sell science material. The seismograph measures seismic waves created by earthquakes. Usually, seismograph sells for $100 or even $200. But mine is available for only $14.99. Blah 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 blah. If you order now, you will receive a handy handheld seismic wave computer. So order now while supplies last. Thank you very much.
Now back to the good stuff. Now you have to learn about the type of faults. The first one is called the normal fault. This is a fault where the hanging wall slides downward because of tension in the crust. Don't ask what tension means. We'll get to it later. The second type is called the reverse fault. This is the complete opposite of normal fault because the hanging wall slides upward. The hanging wall is just a big block of rock. It makes the upper half of the normal fault. The footwall is the lower half of normal fault. Another one is the strike-slip fault. An SSF, which is strike-slip fault, is a fault where rocks slide past each other with not that much up or down movement. Next, there are types of stress. Stress is a type of force that acts on rock to change its shape or volume.
One of these types of stress is called compression. Compression squeezes rock until it breaks or folds. Then there is tension. Tension stretches rock until it is thinner in the middle. The last type of stretch is called shearing. Shearing pushes rock in the opposite direction. Now let's talk about waves. First wave is called a P wave, or primary wave, if you want to call it. The P wave is a type of seismic wave that compresses rock and it also expands in the ground.
Then there are S waves. These waves move the ground up and down and side to side. Next there is surface waves. These form when P and S waves reach the surface. They cause the most violent shaking. The last but not least is the seismic wave. A seismic wave is a vibration that travels through Earth and carries energy that has been released during an earthquake.
Now here are the scales that measure quakes. One of these scales is called the Mercalli scale. This rates intensity of an earthquake and how much damage it causes. The Richter scale is a scale that measures seismic waves, which are ones that carry energy and that are released during an earthquake that measures by using a mechanical seismograph.
Lastly, there is the moment magnitude scale. This rates earthquakes by measuring how much energy is released. Then there's liquefaction. Liquefaction is a process by which an earthquake violently shakes loose soil and becomes liquid mud. Next, there is a tsunami. This is a large wave that starts because of an earthquake underwater. The wave is formed when little ones come together to make a huge one. A tsunami can be very dangerous.
Now we are going to discuss what you can do to protect your house during an earthquake. You should use base isolation bearings, which help you protect your building from too much vibration. Monitoring faults is in predicting an earthquake. Devices used in this prediction include tiltometers, creepmeters, and laser ranging devices. Lastly, landforms formed by stress and faults is basically a plateau or flatland or areas.
Thanks for listening.